Hello, I'm back. The reason why I'm posting twice today is because I just wanted to, because I finally got a microphone. But I'm going to be showing you a tour of my Bloxburg house. As you can see here, it's... oh wait, let me get my cool outfit on. Okay, as you can see, yeah, I'm in Bloxburg, but I'm going to be showing you a tour of this house. I'm stinky at the moment, but yeah, so let's start it. So when you come into my house, there is a sitting room and a fireplace, yeah, and then there's an open door to the kitchen area, and then a little pantry place thing, and yeah, and then there's the bad bathroom here. I have some perfume, and I have my clear... okay, I'm saying random things, so I'm gonna move on. There's my little place thingies here. Then I haven't changed the picture because I was too lazy to. Then there's a little island in the middle of this room with a lava lamp, and then I haven't changed this either. I'm just a lazy person in general, so yeah. There's a desk with a computer and all that. Then this is my room. It's just a plain room with a bathroom in here. Yeah, you know, I quite like it. And then there's the kids' room with rainbow. This is obviously the girls' side, and then the boys' side. I don't know, boys can use this. I'm not being mean. Then there's like a little balcony, and then the two rooms there that are Sophia's, and well, they're not specifically for them. They're like guest rooms, but they're staying there. And then you can go down these stairs. I'll just go to them now. They're like off the ground, which I really like. So this one is the white one. So there is curtains. I'm just gonna close them so people don't stare at us. So I have the little heart lamp, some fairy lights, and the bathroom, like the mini bathroom. Like I don't want to see. Like okay, right. So that was confusing. I just said random things and didn't finish the sentence. Right, anyways, so I'm just gonna go up into my room. Well, not my room, but another guest room. It's the exact same except it's grey, like that. The one was white. The heart, look, it's the exact same, and there's the little desk. I didn't bother putting in a laptop, just don't judge me. And then there's the little bathroom. And yeah. Oh, and I forgot to close this window on the other one. Wow. Right. Okay, we're gonna go and do something fun. We're going to change our outfit into our default outfit. I don't know why, but I just feel like I should. And yeah, it is like 20 to 10. So I feel like that's pretty late, but you know, Bloxburg has to be played late. I don't know what I said. Okay, so this is a fancy house. Can we get a tour, please? Tour, please. I want. Does she have a doorbell? No. Wow. We're gonna knock on her door. Oh, those things in there. Oh, look at those things. What are they called? Decals? Okay. This is a nice house. It's quite plain, but I love these chairs on the outside. Oh, okay, we're on top. Alright, is he in? No one is in, and it's like 11:26 in game. No one's asleep? Excuse me. Alright, let's go back to our house, and then we'll make and edit a YouTube, I don't know. Okay, There's this girl, excuse me? Did someone glitch into my house? Excuse me? I have... Say hello to YouTube. She's just in my house. So, this girl is here. Shout out to Princess Ariana 26468. I'll just say, subscribe to me at Lulu_Roblox. Okay, Ariana. Thank you. Shout out to Princess Ariana. She's very nice. Oh, by the way, why are you in my house? Like, how did she get in? She probably got that girl that was around my house to get in. Yes. In the future, I'll probably add like stuff. Like, what's it called? I'm getting confused. Well, okay, this girl just is deciding to stand here. I do this thing where I glitch into people's houses. That's what I was gonna do. It's what I'm going to do in a video. Lol. Okay, this girl is clearly looking at my videos and show people how to do it, lol. And you decide on my house, lol. Okay, right. Okay, she wanted to show people how to do it. Well, she showed them. So, yeah. Hello. Where are they? Who's that? Oh, this girl is sending me a friend request. I'll accept it later. I promise, guys. Yes. I'm just gonna sit here and do nothing. Alright, now I'm gonna leave the game to check your YouTube channel. Okay. Shout out to this girl for the 3rd time. Okay, right. I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to post better videos because this video honestly wasn't that good. But by next time, I'll probably have a back screen with like YouTube, and I'll just film some Roblox Q&As there. That's some inspiration for some videos to Roblox players. Right, yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, press that subscribe button, and what else? Yeah, well, anyways, goodbye, my loos. Bye-bye.